मॉन्टेसरी कैम्ब्रिज स्कूल पठानकोट की 10वीं कक्षा के छात्रों ने सीबीएसई बोर्ड द्वारा घोषित नतीजे में अभूतपूर्व प्रदर्शन कर एक बार फिर शैक्षणिक उत्कृष्टता का स्वर बढ़ाया है। अध्यक्ष विनोद महाजन, उपाध्यक्ष आकाश महाजन और प्रिंसिपल रश्मि आलूवालिया ने छात्रों की उपलब्धियों पर बहुत गर्व व्यक्त किया। उन्होंने कहा, युवा उपलब्धि हासिल करने वालों को उनकी कड़ी मेहनत और दृढ़ता के लिए बधाई दी। उन्होंने बताया कि 60 छात्रों ने 90% से अधिक अंक प्राप्त किए, जिनमें से 30 ने 95% अंक को पार किया। उन्होंने सबके उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करते हुए उन्हें बधाई दी।
And I have scored 98.4% in class 10 board examinations. I am honored to express myself in front of you all. The credit of my academic achievement goes to my teachers and my parents. The constant support of the faculty and my family members gave me all the confidence to achieve this. All this was possible because of the strong foundation laid by my teachers. I would also like to extend my gratitude towards Principal Ma'am, who has always been such an inspiration for all of us. Thank you to the entire MCA family for always being there for me.
Kinjal, I've scored 98.2% in board examination. This achievement has only been possible due to all the support of my teachers, and I would also really like to thank my parents for their support and the hard work of all my teachers.
Good afternoon everyone, myself Sarthak Mahajan and I have been studying here since UKG. I scored 98% marks in my class 10th board exams. I would like to thank my parents, teachers and principal ma'am for their support and guidance throughout.
I completed my class 10th board examination with a passing percentage of 98%. I would really like to thank my teachers and my parents for supporting and guiding me in every stage of class 10, and their efforts have really made the difference.
Myself, Gunmanch, I have scored 97.4%. I would like to thank MCS, my parents and all the teachers who supported me during my 10th class journey. And congratulations to all the students who really performed well.
I recently passed my class 10 board examinations with an outstanding performance of 96.8%. I am really grateful to my teachers, coordinators and my honorable principal ma'am for always supporting me and giving me the right guidance.
This is Anush Puri and I have been the part of Motesri Cambridge School since class 12 and I have successfully cleared my grade 10 with a score of 96.4%, and I am really grateful for all the teachers, my friends and especially Principal Ma'am, and I would also like to congratulate all of you.
Everyone, I am Angel and I have just completed my 10th standard from MCS Pathankot with a score of 96%, for which I am really grateful to MCS staff and our respected Principal Ma'am who have helped me in this journey. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Anish Dogra from MCS and I have just scored 96% in class 10 board examination. This achievement has been possible only due to the unwavering support of my teachers, the school and my parents. I am very thankful to everyone who has helped me in this achievement.
Everyone, I am Anishri of class 11th Humanities. I have just passed my class 10th with percentage of 95. I would like to thank my parents and teachers for supporting me. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Sana Oberoi. I scored 93% in my board examinations. This is all just possible due to my teachers who supported me and guided me.
Good morning everyone, myself Ashish Bindotra and I am a student of Montessori Cambridge School since I was in 4th standard. It has been a great experience till now. I have just completed 10th standard. Yesterday the result was announced by the Central Board of Secondary Education, New Delhi, and I've scored 91.2%, and I'm really thankful to all the teachers who have supported me in this journey, and I'm very much thankful to the Honorable Principal Ma'am for supporting me in this entire journey, and I'm looking forward to create many new memories together with all of my fellow students,